Facing Quebec City, overlooking the St. Lawrence River, two basic house designs stand in contrast with the architecture of old Quebec. Made of concrete, a material that symbolizes modernity and resource extraction, they are as cold as our winter climate, but their harshness is softened by the incorporation of plant-inspired colors. Curious to know what's inside? Well, there are no doors or windows to let you in. The houses are completely closed to the outside world. If the house is a symbol of refuge and shelter, and often synonymous with safety, the ones Laure Tixier shows us here are rather inhospitable. Quite unlike the group, soft, cozy houses that await us at Centre Regart. In these two installations, the artist looks at the relationship between the body and the structures we build to accommodate it. She has created a dialogue between different architectural properties such as closure and openness, sturdiness and flexibility, abstraction and decoration, coldness and warmth. Through these oppositions, she invites us to reflect on exclusion and inclusion. Who does our architecture welcome? Who does it reject? And what does that say about us?